Hey everyone, welcome to my craft room. My name is Yvette Qualley. I like to create craft tutorials for beadwork, junk journaling, paper crafting, and more. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a full flip through of a journal I just completed. I'm calling it Coming Up Daisies. So daisies have a special place in my heart because my family's names, the first initial of my husband, myself, my son, and my daughter, spells D-A-Z-Y. So I've always liked daisies, and this journal is no exception. So on the outside here, I have it tied with just a piece of ribbon. In the cover, I have pieced together, and this is all hand stitched on here, different pieces of fabric. And this was quilt blocks that someone gifted to me, and I just reused those by making it into patchwork, put a little bit of lace on there, a little bit of lace on the spine, made this little ribbon tassel that can be detached. On the front here, I have a little cluster of lace and two different kinds of lace, a little flower and a ribbon with a bulb pin and an antique pearl on there. This whole thing is removable. Tassel is also removable. So let's open this up. The whole outside I've hand stitched the entire cover, and then I'm folding it over, put it in, stitch it down inside here and glue it, and then I put down a chipboard based with Edith Holden book page covered on that. And then I've used a kit from Lindsay at nevermorecreations17.com, and I'll go ahead and put a link to that kit in there. So any of the digitals that you see in here are from Lindsay's kit. In the front I made a little lace pocket, and this little envelope is from the kit. And then this, I just made a little journal card out of one of the ephemera pieces she had. Got a little tab on there. This is an image from a page, and the other side of it didn't print so well, so I went ahead and just cut out that image and glued it on there. Got some coffee dyed paper. This is from the kit. And this is a natural dyed paper here. This is from the kit, and then I used a little bit of ink on there, yellow ink. This is a book page number from Edith Holden on there, and then I did a little doodling on there as well. Just layered it up. So there's lots of room in this one for journaling. If you guys have watched my channel for any length of time, I do like to leave a lot of space for journaling. So I did this one, it has a little bit more space than most of my journals, but I went ahead and did some stenciling on there just to add some visual interest. Again, that's a natural dyed page there. And then I've got these little card there, and that tucks into an Edith Holden pocket that I made. Got some ledger paper, a little bit of bee on there. This has a side loading pocket over here, and this is from the kit. This is from a vintage gardening book. It does go back in there, I promise. Then this, I just did a little stenciling with a brush on there, made a little flower, a little more stenciling here, and some hand doodling. This has a little pocket here, and then I put a little fairy on there. Again with the stencil, dragonfly. This is a little piece of coffee dyed paper here that I just made into a little journaling spot. And this was a little bit of embossing I did there. This is from the kit, Edith Holden tab on the side, and then hand-drawn journaling lines on there. So this kit, I did commission this kit from Lindsay. She does sell the kit in her shop, but her and I have collaborated on a few different journal kits that I have an idea for, and then she makes it come to life. So we worked together on quite a few, and this is one of them. So here I just layered up a little bit of book page, some cardstock, and then a little bit of Edith Holden on there. So if any of you guys have an Edith Holden book or book pages, this is how I like to use just little tidbits that are left over. So yeah, there's beautiful images on there, but even the words just look so beautiful in a journal. So that's what I've done. This is a dyed piece of paper here that I just folded up into a spot again to journal. And that just tucks right there under Edith's handwriting page. This is a little piece of upholstery fabric on there. I have 3 little pockets that I made here. These are from Edith Holden, and I just wrote on there. This is from a vintage gardening book. Again, a little more stenciling. This is a pocket here. I need to make something for that, I think. This is just a piece of cardstock I folded over, made 2 little pockets there, and then layered it up with some other pretty papers. Again, like I said, this one has a lot more writing space in it than most of my journals do. This was in Edith's book, this was a poem that she had written, so I put it on 3 separate journal cards, and I labeled it A, B, and C. And then on the back, it's just a place for you to journal. So I stuck all those into this pocket. This is embossed and then layered up with a piece of cardstock or paper, and then a little bit of upholstery fabric there. This is some linen and a page tab. This is from Lindsay's kit. Cute little bird stencil up there. Sorry about that, my cord fell down at some point there. This is a music page, of course, and then I just pulled the corner up and made a little pocket there, and it actually has a little pocket up here as well. And this is the other side of the music page, and I just stuffed that full of little pieces that can be used anywhere in the journal. I glued it down here and here, and then I just tucked in a little piece of paper with a bee stencil on there for journaling. This is from Ephemera Treasure Trove on Facebook, and she always puts a little stamp in there from Malta, so I went ahead and put that on there. All of her items shipped from Malta. I use a lot of her things in my journals. So again, just a lot of space and just a little bit of visual interest there. And then I have this little library book card back here. That's part of the kit. And I just thought that looked so cute in the back with the same kind of pattern over here. And then again, I covered that in chipboard. You got your little bit of bee fabric in here to reinforce the spine. And then just everything layered up. So this is available. I will be sending it to Lindsay at Nevermore Creations here in about a week or so. So if you are interested in this journal, you can purchase it from me directly if I haven't already sent it off to her. Just go ahead and message me. I have my details in the description box. And again, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick flip through of my Everything's Coming Up Daisy journal. Hope you guys have a great day, and thanks so much for watching.